Hello there, welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in a globe. Welcome to Nana's channel. Now we're going to continue our pattern, 3961. We're going to continue with our culottes. Today we have a lot to do, I should say. I cut all my pocket. This is the front pocket. I don't know what's happening to me today. And the facing. Okay. Now, I cut the waistband. This is the back with my interfacing. This is the front with my interfacing. Now, from last video, you saw me with the pleats. Now, I open up the pleats of the pattern and I press it open before I laid it on my fabric to cut. Okay? So that's my fabric. This is, and then make sure when you cut it, you knot all your pleats. Notch all your pleats, both the hemline and the waist. That's the front and this is the back. Today I will be taking you to the machine. So before I go to the machine, I'm gonna cut you off, put in my pleats. First of all, take off my pattern pieces, put in my pleats, and then I'll be back. So hold on, I'll be back. Thank you. Hello there, I'm back. I'm at the machine now. I've pinned all my dart, both front and back. And then I'm gonna stitch it. Okay, I'm gonna stitch it and iron it towards the center back. This is the back. So let me switch this around. Then you can see me stitch. I'll be right back. Hello there, I'm back. The camera is giving me a hard time. Anyway, I'm gonna stitch all the pleat so you can watch me do it. I hope you mark your hip line because that's the guide for your pleat. So I hope you marked it, okay? And I hope you got all your notches right. And don't forget to cut your thread as you sew it. Okay. 1.5. One more. Okay, I've done one, and I'm gonna get off, do the rest, iron it, and then I'll be back. Okay, hold on. Hello there, I'm back. I've ironed the pleat, and I put one pocket in and serge it. So I'm gonna walk you through the other pocket, okay? The other side of the pocket. This one is done, and the pleat is done. So make sure after you press the pleat, on the wrong side, the pleat facing center back at the crotch, okay? So then I'm gonna stitch about a quarter the pleats down about a quarter, then I'll put the pocket on. Okay, now put the pocket facing to the pant, matching all your notches. And it's also 5/8. Don't forget to backstitch. Okay, there. And you have to clip 5/8 down. Okay. Where's the piece? You stitch that up to that point, and then you clip down. Okay. And then we turn it into the culottes inside. Okay. They're facing, we flip it to the wrong side, and we're gonna top stitch after pressing. I'm tired today. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna press it, and I'll be back. Right. Yes, I did. I had to clip it a little bit more. Let's see what time is it. Ooh, 10. Okay. That's the wrong side. And this is the right side. Now we're going to stitch a quarter at the edge of the pocket. Okay? So there we go. Okay, there. Okay. Now the outside pocket. Make sure you match all your notches. And I'm going to stitch it. There we go, that's better. Okay, after I stitch the quarter of the edge of the pocket, that's when I trim the seam allowance down a bit. I don't trim it before sewing a quarter top stitch. I cut it after. I'm talking about the seam allowance of the pocket edge. I trim it down after I stitch the a quarter. Okay, now I'm going to stitch the pocket. Make sure I have all my notches pinned properly. I went ahead of myself. There we go. I'm gonna serge it and I'll be back. Hold on. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, now I finished the pocket. I put a pin there. Okay, this is the pocket. And then I finished the inseam, front and back. Front and back of the inseam. So this will be it for today. And next week we'll finish it. We'll do the side, the crotch, the side seam, the zipper, and the waistband, and then we'll be done. Okay, so this is the end of today. I don't know, today I'm not myself, but anyway, it's done to this level. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks.